Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to learn some topics from geometry, and those topics are point, line, line segment, and ray. We need to know each one of these terms. Let's start with the point. A point is an exact location that is represented by a dot. Example given point R. So, if you will find that a kind of a letter with a dot with the letter is called a point, okay? Or if you will not even find the letter, just a dot, a circle dot with the shaded dot, so that is called a point. Number two, a line goes on forever in both directions. So there is no end point for a line. The line is continuous, it will go on both the direction, left and right side. It means it will never stop. There is no end point for a line, and you will find arrows on both sides of a line. These arrows represent that the line is continuous, it will never end. That is called a line. And the name given here for a line is line WK. The next one is a line segment. A line segment is part of a line. It has two endpoints. Example, line segment GN. So it means that a line segment is exactly opposite to a line. A line doesn't have endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints on both sides, with the dots on both sides. Okay, it has two endpoints, and it is given here letter G and line segment. Okay, move to the ray. A ray has one endpoint. Now, a ray has one endpoint. It means that it has one endpoint, and the other side, it has an arrow. It means that it has one endpoint. The other point will continue to grow. So, these are the four terms that we need to understand. A point with only one dot, a line with no endpoints. It's continuous. It will move right and left side. It will never end. There is no end point for a line. A line segment has two endpoints on both the end. It has an endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint, and the other side will continue to grow. Now let's do some questions here. Identify each figure. We need to know that what the each figure is called. The first one is with one endpoint only. The other one is continuous. Okay, with one endpoint, you can see that array has only one endpoint. So we can write here ray, R A Y, ray, and write the letter here L F. Okay. Question number two. You can see that in question number two, it has two endpoints, this and this, H and Z. So it's called a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. So it's a line segment right here. Line segments. Make sure that you write the full form, line segment, and then write H and then letter Z. Question number three. You can see that a letter X is here with a dot. This dot represents a point. A point is an exact location that is represented by a dot. So this is called a point. We can write here point. And what is the name of this point? The name of a point is called X, right? X. The last one, number 4, it has no endpoint. Both sides are continuous. You can see here a line goes on forever in both directions. So this is a line which has no endpoints. You can hear line and then the letter J and Q. So just we'll do again a recap. A point is represented by only a dot. A line doesn't have an endpoints. It will continue to grow on both the sides. A line segment has two endpoints. A ray has only one endpoint, and the other side will continue to grow. So these are the 4 terms that we will remember, and we have learned now: a point, a line segment, and a ray. That's all for this topic. Thank you.